Today we're going to take your TP-Link Archer AX75 Wi-Fi 6E router and turn it into a powerful Wi-Fi access point. This is a fantastic way to extend your existing network's coverage, maybe to that home, office, garage, or that one room where the Wi-Fi just won't reach. Let's get started. What is access point mode? First, what are we doing in access point mode? The Archer AX75 stops acting like a router. No firewall, no DHCP server. It simply takes a wired internet connection from your main network and converts it into a wireless signal. It's a wire-to-wireless bridge, and it's incredibly stable. Step 1. Physical connection. Step 1 is all about the physical setup. For this, you will not use the blue internet port on the Archer AX75. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into any one of the yellow LAN ports on your main router. Plug the other end of that cable into any yellow LAN port on your Archer AX55. Finally, plug the Archer AX75 into power. Step 2. Access the Archer AX75 settings. Connect your PC or laptop from AX75 router, Ethernet port, or using Wi-Fi. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type the default IP address 192.168.0.1 for the Archer AX75. Login using admin password, or if for first-time login, create login password and press Start button. Once you're logged into the dashboard, click on Advanced tab. From top menu. Then from left side menu, click on Network, and then LAN. Inside the LAN settings. The most important step is to change the IP address of the Archer AX75 to avoid an IP conflict with your main router. If your main router using different IP address, then you can keep AX75 default IP address. Log in AX75 with new IP address, and then go to Advanced tab, and then click Quick Setup. From the right top corner, click Change Mode option. Choose Operation Mode Access Point and press Save button. The Archer AX75 will now reboot and apply the new access point mode settings after the reboot. Log in again Archer AX75 router and now follow next steps to set up wireless settings. Step 4. Configure your Wi-Fi. After the reboot, login one more time at the new IP address. Now go to wireless settings. Here you can set up your Wi-Fi. You have two choices. Use the same SSID and password as your main network for seamless roaming. Or create a unique Wi-Fi name and change Wi-Fi password for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless band. Archer AX75 is tri-band router, so you need to configure 2.4 GHz and 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi network name and password. If you want set up guest network, scroll down page and enable guest network. Create SSID and password for guest network. After configure all three bands, press Save button to apply settings. Now go to your mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and check for new SSID name. Connect it and test internet should work. Once connected, now open browser and access any website, and that's it. Your TP-Link Archer AX75 is now a dedicated access point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.